Hello everyone, my name is Naufal Alwi Rizkylah. You can call me Naufal. I'm from Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta University from Industrial Engineering Faculty, Department of Informatics major. And my ID is 123240215. In this moment, I will present to you about my review in a research paper with the author is Jacob Alebach from Allegheny College. In this research paper, he was developed a plugin titled Accessible Map Generation in Unity. Only with the title itself, you may know that this plugin can only be used in Unity. Unity is a great software for someone who wants to make games, or to be specific, it is a game engine. The main function of this plugin is to automatically generate rooms in a map randomly, but with procedures or rules. This plugin is focusing in 2D games, especially in roguelike dungeon crawler games. Why? Because the author is inspired by that kind of games to done his research. The example of the games mentioned by him in the paper are Spelunky, The Binding of Isaac, and the last is Enter the Gungeon. But this research will be more focusing in Enter the Gungeon game. Enter the Gungeon has unique room generation, and this is the example on how a map in that game looks like. The target user of this plugin is someone who literally new in game development or amateur game developers. Because this kind of rooms generation has a really complex algorithm. The best of this plugin is that can generate room in a map automatically. So the user does not have too much effort in making rooms in a map. Just a little adjustment on the plugin and the map is ready to use. Unfortunately, this plugin is only generating empty rooms. So there will be nothing in a room, but just a plain floor. But once again, this plugin is really useful. Just attach to your game project in Unity and a few adjustments when you start your game project. This plugin will automatically generate rooms in a map randomly. These rooms has random pattern each time the game is played. So one playthrough will be different with the other one, or there will be no specific pattern on how to finish the game. If developed even more, this plugin maybe will not only generating empty rooms, but also the items or furniture or so on inside them. This plugin is absolutely helpful for amateur game developers who want to make roguelike dungeon crawler games. Because the room generation in that kind of games has a really complex algorithm. Without this plugin, they will take a long of time just to create the algorithm that generate rooms in a map. But if they are too relying on using plugins when making games, they will be lazy to learn how the algorithm in a game works. I will show you how the plugin is. Wait, okay? The plugin has two scripts. This is the first script, and this is the last script. And this is the result when your game project attached with this plugin and you start the game. The plugin will automatically generating rooms randomly. As you can see, there are a lot of rooms from A, B, C, D, and E room. And as you can see, the yellow one is the connector or hallway, the vertical hallway and horizontal hallway. Thank you for watching. That's all from me. Goodbye.